first, welcome to my channel. How's everyone? If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Amina. Today is everything what I got on sale day. Okay, ito maxaan ku haystaa PH brushes and I got from online. Girls, I use this brush today on my face. Maanta isticmaal makeup, the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, the eyebrow. Everywhere I use these babies. And I was so scared. But then it's so quality. Thank God I get it and I will buy more. They have a sale going on like a crazy PH. So I will put it down in the description, their website. Oh my God. So I got 10 pieces brush set here. It's beautiful. And then I got this one for $8 on their website on sale day. So $8 ang kuhali. But actually price, I don't know, it was quite expensive, but for $8 for 10 pieces brush sets is good. So it's worth the money. So let me show you guys. So I just go website, online, and I just sell days, and you see. So I use a couple of the brushes. I use that one. Look at that. If you guys want me to do the review, leave a comment hoos igu soo qor review darteed oo quality-giisa soo tahay inaan igu sheekeeyo. Kani contourka waaye, contour. Oh nice. And I love anything gold. I love gold and black and rose gold, silver, all those things is my thing. Add on all halo brushes code. So look how cool is that? I love it. So $8. And they have still sale going on. And then I get from PH, I got more brushes like that. And then this one I got £3 and $50. So this is dollar from America, $3.50. And the shipping, it cost me $5. So it wasn't a lot. It didn't even reach £20 basically. It was like down. So £5, $5, and then this one plus $8 this one, $5, and plus delivery $5 delivery. How amazing is that? And 2 weeks it was home with me. So because of it was Christmas coming, holiday, it was a little bit delayed. I'm not mad of that because it was holiday. So then I have another bag here. So I went TK Maxx. No, sorry. I went M&S and I got this beauty. So it says M&S. And before it was £8.50 and I got £3.50. So it's all this facial is like this cream, buttercream, is from cocoa butter to help you leave your skin feel smooth, soft and smooth, to massage gentle your body. So it's really good. I can add ugu halay muxuu ku imaadaa 3 xabo ku imaadaa. One maxaa la dhahaa and chia body butter. The second one they call coconut. Coconut kana kan kalina maxay dhahaane lemon. Waa liimada oo jaalada waa kay. it's nice and smooth, and I use it and it's natural. There's no chemical, ladies, there's no chemical. And I buy from online. When I went to shop, they didn't have it, so I checked it online, and amazing. I'm glad I buy it because I love natural stuff than chemical stuff. I already use it and it's so soft, like, oh, it's like you just wanna even eat it. See? Qatar bite. And after one kahale. So sale day is still, the sale is going on, ladies. Go get it. This is like you get 3 for £3.50, and it was £8.50 before. Let me just put that in the bag. Excuse me. That's how it looks. I love it. Then I order online from TK Maxx this dragon blood. Waa dragon blood waaye. And waxaa la lifting of yaanaya, and for lift tightness oo ku dhaafa markaa marsada tightness hadii oo qabta amal wrinkles amal oo weeklies qabta amal markaa makeup marsata oo laalaan kambasaas kaaga soo baxayo. Waa leash smooth oo kaaga dhigaa, waxaas smooth oo kaaga dhigaa. And I'm using actually today. maxaa la wajiga marsaday before makeup aan marsaday, because maxaa la I have dry skin aad u xunaan qabaa. So oil can aan soo gatay, and I get for £5 aan soo halay. Original price is, let me see, paper guys. It's from TK Maxx. The paper TK Maxx is there. Okay. Very good. Yes, £5 aan ku halay. And I'm wearing, so usually it's like inta guduud iga naqdaa, and it's very dry my skin, and it helps today. Then can mix on kasoo gatay. So everything I mix it together. Kullu isku lab qas alaabtay. Halkiis bac ma ku haanin, because everything waan qaada waa isku lab qasiyo ahay. Kan boots aan kasoo gatay, and it was £5, £1.50 soo siiyeen. Online ka markaan gatay online ka. Because sometimes shop ka tagaysa sale day-ga maxaa lahaye, and everything dadka waa aruursanayaan, then it's busy and it's crowded waaye, meel ay galaysa ma laho, adiga cariiri ku naqle. So usigan maxaa waaye, waa body butter waaye, butter kana pronounce waa butter. So Jack Wills, you can see Jack Wills. So I'm using today this one, and I already open it and put on my body. So oh, the smell is amazing. Why carafkiisi chapipa like nina why qatar why so kan and easy on kugo marsoma. And soft midda jirka soft jala okay. So I like it. Then boots maxaan kasoo gatay, kaasaan kasoo gatay soap Gloria aan kasoo gatay. And actually price is £20 oo ahay. So I get for £10. So I save £10. So maxaa ku jira ani fure. So ladies, that's what I get on sale day. I got more stuff like clothes, shoes, and for Happy and the kids. So I buy so many stuff for my beautiful 3 children, like Next, H&M, New Look, Primark, Debenham, TK Maxx, name it. So I went crazy by stuff, so many stuff. And if you guys want to see that video showing you guys what I got for unboxing day for my kids, let me know. Waan itusaya boxing day waxaan soo gatay ilmihii u soo gaday everything u soo gaday dugaamadan aan taga waan soo aroorsaday and xaajiga. But for me wax ma soo gadalin. I got all those things, and my favorite is this beautiful River Island bag. I really makahale aad iyo aad ugu hale River Island aan ka soo gatay. I'll put it down description. All the shops I get this stuff: Boots, TK Maxx, and M&S, River Island. That's it. So this one I get from M&S, and it was I got for £6. It was £16 or £12. I don't remember. I do not remember, but I remember the only small price I get. That is the main thing. Anyway, if you guys like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Comment down below, share my video with anyone you guys like, family, friends, anywhere, Facebook, Snapchat, anywhere. So until next time, always, as I say, stay chapipa and bye.